following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
All right, welcome back, beards and beardettes. Today, we are going to talk about filter stickers. Now, there's many ways that we can try to save on money and skimp and do things the cheaper way. This is one that I do not suggest you do that with. No, not at all. These right here are the Microppose brand 0.3 synthetic filter stickers. Now, you can find the generic wannabes of these all over the place for $2.50 for a sheet of 50. Problem with that is that they are the cheap Chinese made paper filters, and I'm getting ready to go over it with you of the major differences between the cheap Chinese paper filters and Microppose filters. Now, granted, if you're just trying to do a single run with them, the cheap Chinese filters are most likely going to do okay. Herein lies the problem. If you happen to be wanting to do multiple runs of grains, which is what these are for your grain lids, the problem is that they will get wet. Ultimately, whether you're doing steam sterilization, whether you're sterilizing in a pressure cooker, or even if you're trying to pasteurize in an oven, the problem is that the hydrated grains are going to steam off, right? And they're going to get the stickers wet. If you're doing it in a pressure cooker or steam sterilized method, they're going to get soaking wet. And the problem is that they will degrade. Not only will they degrade, specifically the adhesive on the stickers will degrade. That's not a problem with the Microppose brand. The Microppose brand, they can get wet all you want. I mean, they can even be submerged in water, and it doesn't matter. They're a synthetic material, they are hydrophobic, and it will not soak up the water, right? And the problem is it's a multitude of problems. It's not just that they're going to get wet and the paper and the adhesive will degrade. They're also prone to contaminate your grains, right? Like when you do your break and shake, when you do whatever you do, those grains are going to rub across the filter stickers, and those paper ones, it's just not it, folks, right? Like a whole sheet of these right here is only $4, and this isn't a whole sheet. You can see all the little holes here from where I've already peeled them off. You get 50 in a sheet, and they're only $4. They're less than 10 cents a piece, and they kick ass. And they'll keep kicking ass for, I think I'm still using the same ones I've had on for years. I haven't had to change a single one, right? Because not only are they a synthetic material and hydrophobic, but let's see if we can see this on camera. Okay, so you can see the circle, right? That is because there is adhesive there. And there is no adhesive in the center, just on the outer rim, much like the paper ones. But the difference is that Microppose uses 3M adhesive, And for anyone who's ever dealt with adhesives before, 3M is the shit. I mean, you'd be hard pressed to find a better adhesive out there than the 3M brand adhesive. I have jars that have the original stickers that I put on them 3.5 years or so ago, and they've been through dozens and dozens of runs, and those stickers aren't going anywhere unless I peel them off. They're not coming off. So not only will they stay adhered, the material that it's made out of, the synthetic material, isn't going to break down either. So you can hand wash these lids, you can dishwasher the lids, you do whatever you want to do, and clean your filters on your lids, and just, you don't even have to let them dry out. You can literally wash them and use them immediately. That's how awesome these are. And again, $4 for a whole sheet. I rarely recommend a product, but when I do, you can bet your bottom dollar that I've put it through its paces. It's tried and true, and it's definitely worth the money. I'm all about the broke boy tech. I'm all about saving money. I'm all about all of that. But the reality of it is, there's zero reason why you shouldn't be using these stickers. They're just awesome, and they're worth every single penny. Yes, you could be doing broke boy jars and still use these. You don't have to use the mason jars or the ball jars or any of the particular brand. You can use these on pasta jars, and they still work exactly like they should. And again, it's so cheap. They're less than 10 cents a piece. There's no reason why you should be using micropore tape. Yes, I have used it in the past. I used it a lot in the past, but I will never ever use micropore tape again when these are so readily available and so inexpensive. So don't waste your time having to, you have bad tape, you have the bad Chinese paper filter stickers, whatever, you got to change them out. That's all your time. You got to clean the lid so that the new adhesion sticks well. All of that, you can avoid all of that. All of that extra work. If that's not worth less than 10 cents a sticker for you, I don't know what to say. Again, I rarely ever recommend brand name products, but this one, 1,000%. All right, that's it for the review for the Microppose synthetic filter stickers. You guys stay safe out there and have a good day. Happy cultivating.